Paying for emergency home repairs can be tough, especially if you don't have the cash on hand to handle it. Depending on the repair and the severity of the problem, services can cost up to 5 figures. Luckily, there are options for financing your home repair that almost anyone can qualify for. For smaller emergencies like a broken appliance or AC unit, a payday loan may be a solution. These unsecured, short-term loans can get you up to $500 to put towards your home repairs. Qualifying is simple too. All you need is a photo ID, your most recent bank statement and pay stub, and a blank check tied to your checking account. That's it. No credit checks or collateral is required. You can be approved in as little as 30 minutes and have the cash to handle your problem the very same day or the next business day. For bigger issues like flooding or roof damage, title loans can offer up to $15,000 in some cases to help offset the cost of emergency home repairs. Using your car's title as collateral, title loans lend money based on the value of your vehicle. All you need is a lien-free title, your photo ID, and the vehicle for inspection. Since the title is held as collateral instead of the vehicle itself, you even get to keep driving once the loan has been approved. When an emergency comes up and you need money for home repairs, bank loans might not be an option for everyone. Taking advantage of services like payday loans and title loans may be an option for handling the emergency in a timely manner. If you need assistance, start by giving us a call or filling out the online inquiry form on our website today. Be sure to like and share our videos, leave a comment, and click the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming soon.